strip the area around the tag that shows, prime it this weekend. Didn't do much tonight. Changed the oil in my truck. Back in the garage on this Saturday. I'm a little late getting this video made. I didn't like the way there was some ripples around the gas door opening, the way the quarter panel was stamped. So I corrected that and primed it, and I cleaned the car out, got all the nuts and bolts all bagged up and put in a box. Stopped and got me some Comet so I can scrub the jams tomorrow. Gonna block both quarter panels, block the cowl screen, sand the rockers and stuff real good, take some Scotch-Brite and Comet to everything else that's red. Gonna scrub the car down real good, get it washed off. Maybe I can get it to work one day next week in between rain and get her painted.